Okay, welcome to my channel. In this video, I just wanted to show you a few things that I got from Amazon. So let's turn the camera around and get into it. All right, the first thing is, can you see that? It's no big deal. It's just a little mixer hooked to a drill, so you can mix up drywall mud and paint. I'm going to be painting the inside of the house and hopefully painting the inside of the garage. So I needed something to mix up a little bit of mud and some paint. So I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. Anyway, just want to show you that. That's really no big deal, but that's what I got. Okay, now next, I got a few different sizes of these step bits. Now I had one, I think it was like that one. It went to 3/4, I believe, so I think it was like that one. But it had that type of shank on it. So you can put it in like an impact drill or impact driver. But when I installed some cameras, kind of lost it in the attic. I was up on the ladder on the outside of the house, drilling a hole through the house to run the wires, and it kind of came off the impact driver and fell down inside the attic. I guess I didn't lose it because it's still up there. I could go up there and get it, but it's not that easy to get to where it dropped. So yeah, there that is. Now, what I think, because it was made a little bit different than this. I think inside each one of these it was sunk in some. It wasn't flat like that. And I think what happened is I used it in a regular drill some, and it kind of wore on it some, which made it not hook into the impact driver properly or as good. It was kind of loose, you could, whatever. And I think that's what made it fall out. It didn't actually stay locked in. But anyway, these are metric ones. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably can't. Metric sizes. Now, as you see, these are for different thicknesses of metal. Let's see, like this one here. If you're drilling through something thick, hold on. I'm trying to get the sizes where you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. But like if you're drilling through something thick and you need it this size, by the time you get through, because there's only, it's just from here to here, by the time you get through the material, you'll be starting to drill into the next size up. So you need something that's got a bigger step, like that, for thicker stuff. That way you can get all the way through it. What is that? Number 8, number 9, number 8. That way you can get all the way through the material before you start drilling it into a 10. So anyway, everybody knows that, I'm sure, whatever. And this one here, let's see, let me try to go. I don't know how easy it is to see these sizes. I'm not going to name them all off, but hopefully you can see them, what sizes they go to. This one here is a pretty big one. It goes, I will tell you that, it goes up to 1 3/8. So that's pretty cool. As you can see, they came in these little cases. And then this one came in that plastic container there. And I'm sure they're all made in China. Well, I know this one is. It says it right there. What do you do, Anyway, I got one more thing I want to show you. Just want to show you these. And technically I ordered another set that came in like a little case. 5 pieces. But of course, somehow or another that package got lost, so they ended up refunding my money on that one, so whatever. Anyway, this is the other thing I got. Not that. Well, hold on. Don't get dizzy. I'm coming back over here. As you can see, once again, my merch. Thank everyone for buying my merch. For those that have. Hold on a minute, I gotta get me some coffee. Man, that's good coffee. Okay, back over here. This. I got this from Amazon too, but as you can see, it's a performance tool. I don't know how good it is yet. I haven't opened the box yet. Just like that. Said on the box it symbols in seconds, and they wasn't lying. The cylinder just pushes into the base, and then the seat sits on the cylinder. You just push down on it to seat them. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that, but I think that's the lowest it'll go, which is lower than that one. That's the lowest setting it has. It's not that much lower though. I was hoping it would be. That one sitting at the table is just a little bit too tall. So maybe this one will work out better. And then, you know, it's just got a handle around here. I don't know if you can see that or not, right there. You can pull up on it. And of course, if you're sitting, it won't shake like that. And then it goes up that tall, which is pretty good. I like it. We'll see how it works out. It's got a pretty good cushion. Better cushion than this one. This is just like plastic. Which, I mean, I guess it's okay too, but this is like leather, or I'm sure it's not, but vinyl. But yeah, it's pretty heavy duty. I like it. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Now I got a mess to clean up. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.